So what's up everyone? Today we have this 9-liter 3D printed single shot that shoots plastic PLA fully 3D printed bullets. I printed and tested lots of bullets, and the fact is that probably no bullet shot out of this gun is going to be accurate. I mean, all the bullets I tried, I mean, they like half of the time they are just tumbling. So it is not reliable at long ranges at all. I mean, so right here I have like 20 bullets, and some of them I shot before and some of them I never shot, so we're gonna shoot some right now. Let's shoot this pellet looking, I wanna shoot actually this pellet looking round that is fully 3D printed and the round itself is like half a gram, so let's shoot. Of course, I will wear my safety glasses for safety. I'm gonna shoot right here. Oh! So fucking fun. The explosive charge that I'm using is what you find in match heads. I'm gonna shoot this round, that is which is the heaviest. Now to load, you just remove this thing and put the round inside. Fuck. Let's shoot. Fuck! Oh. Wait, this is not 300 FPS, and this is also not a full bullet. What you see here is one of the malfunctions you can get with the bullets. That happens mostly because of the thin neck. The guys that are coming from the sides are breaking in half the poor plastic bullet at its weak spot. Just like in this beautiful demonstration that I made, which is not exactly what happened in the video, but it is a problem that happens, and you will see it in the demonstration. In the last month, I did a lot of testing of different types of bullets, and with the main bullet, the one that the Rhinestone Hurricane designed for me, and I kinda got the conclusion. The conclusion is that the setup I'm using to propel the bullets is trash, at least for stability, and I'm 100% sure that the round that he made for me would be absolutely stable in smooth bore with the right conditions. And I promise you that in my next big project, which is not going to be a pistol, I'm going to get a stable round, because it is possible. Things like a basic gas seal will probably work among some other things to prevent the bullet from ripping in half. And of course, if you want to help me, you can leave a comment or join my Discord and share your ideas with me. חכו, אבל חכו, זה יותר... יאללה. לא, קצת. Oh. The thing is with this pistol is that you can very easily just remove the barrel, of course for putting new rounds to shoot, but also you can install new barrels. And I mean, the thing is, you're not limited to this type of round. You can probably, if you know how to model some stuff, you can make almost any round you want to shoot, because there is just this striker, and you can install probably any barrel that you want. So I have this really long barrel which shoots the same round, but it's just longer. And also I have something very inside, which is this stock that you can install very easily. Fuck. Okay. משהו כזה. בסדר. And it is not just a butt. You get the point. And you know, it's very stable. You can hold it and it's quite nice. I would not use it now. פאק, שמעתם את הרקע שלי? פגע איפשהו שם. וזה עבר את הכל, נראה לי. כן, זה עבר את הכל. טוב, אז כן, זה ירד את כל הכדור. רגע, יש פה איזשהו, לא, נקי. אנחנו עושים כדור חדש. The bullet that I want to shoot now is this pellet looking... I actually never shot this before. I just made it. And it looks like a pellet. It has this 5mm ball, and we are going to shoot it out of the long barrel. אשכרה נשמע ממש טוב, יש איזה סנאפ מטורף. אוקיי, בוא נראה איפה זה פגע. Oh, yeah, it went through all of the lemon, but got stuck at this tough level. It is, yeah. And we are going to the same type of bullet and shoot this donorant that is. Opa. Okay, בוא נראה. פאק! זה שפריץ עליי. וואו, ראיתם איך זה עף אחורה? Fuck! Penetrated the steel here and it's stuck inside. I wanna shoot it.
An instant.
With slingshot. I wanna try shoot it the same apple and the same deodorant with the slingshot to see the differences. But it is heavier, and I think it is 10mm round. So we're gonna see the differences. Although, okay. מוכנים? הרבה זמן לא יריתי עם פאקינג, אוי, זה כאילו זה יצא. וזה נכנס פה. Oh, did not penetrate it. כן. רגע, אוקיי, אני מוכן.